Alright, now it's the start of day 2 on the skid steer project. So far I've pressure washed off a bunch of the exterior, mainly. I went ahead and leaned the cab forward so I can get inside to the engine a little bit better. I discovered a pretty good leak in the radiator. So that's unfortunate, but no biggie. And it is a Ford V4 industrial 4-cylinder motor. So as you can tell, there's a bunch of hydraulic oil and grease and shit all over the place, so that's about to come out. We're gonna fire up the old 4,000 psi Honda pressure washer there and go to town.